Ever thought about working in tech but weren't sure if you had what it takes? Whether you're looking for a career change or just exploring opportunities, you may already have some qualities that could set you up for success in tech. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 traits that could mean that you're a natural fit for a tech career. If you recognize any of these traits for yourself, tech just might be your thing. Hi everyone, I'm Dan and welcome to my channel. If you've ever wondered if tech was the right career path for you, today I'll be sharing with you the 5 key traits that a person could have that could set them up for success in the tech industry. Now, these aren't necessarily skills that you learn from schools. These are more like personalities or how you approach, life. So if this topic interests you, please keep watching. Let's dive right in. First up, do you like helping others achieve success? Have you ever heard the term tech or IT is an enabler? In tech, it's not just about programming, fixing bugs, or making systems. It's also about making sure that tech works for people. Whether you're helping friends with their computer issues or solving problems at work, if you enjoy making things easier for others, then tech might be a great fit for you. Because you are already in the mindset of improving things for people, and that is one of the most valuable traits that one could have in the tech industry. The second sign or trait is, are you the go-to IT person? Now, this is similar to the first trait, but this is more about how others perceive you. When people around you have issues with broken gadgets or maybe a new app, or they want to do some online banking but they don't know how to do some things, do they turn to you for help? Do you have a reputation for not shying away for questions relating to tech, IT, gadgets and whatnot? Being someone who enjoys fixing technical issues for people is a great trait for a tech person. If you think about it, the tech industry is all about finding solutions. Whether you're debugging software for that nefarious bug, or helping to figure out how to make processes run more smoothly, if you're the person that others turn for help, then you are already a great fit for a great tech career. Sign number 3. Do you enjoy puzzles and games? In other words, do you like tackling challenges head on and figuring out how things work? Imagine someone gifting you a 10,000 piece jigsaw puzzle or a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. If the idea of completing the jigsaw puzzle or finding solutions to the Rubik's Cube excites you, that means you're already a natural for one of the key traits in tech, which is problem solving. Whether it's trying to crack a code, working through a tricky project, or figuring out how processes fit together, people who enjoy these kinds of challenges often thrive in tech environment. Sign number 4, are you always looking for ways to make things easier? Now, this could be for yourself or for your friends. In tech, we are always looking for ways to make things easier, faster, more efficient, and simpler. If you're the person to look for shortcuts or a more organized way of doing things, a more efficient way of doing things, or maybe using better tools to solve your problems, you are already thinking like a tech professional. Whether it's automating tasks or finding ways to optimize processes or workflows, having a natural tendency to think that way is a huge asset in the tech industry. And finally, do you enjoy explaining things to others? If you enjoy breaking down complex topics into easier to understand chunks and explaining them in simple terms, you've got an invaluable skill. Whether it's helping a friend understand a new system or helping your mom and dad figure out how to navigate websites, how to use their banking apps, being able to explain things clearly to people who are maybe not so tech savvy is a great tool and a great trait for you to have. Communication is a key skill in any tech role, but especially more so for people wanting to move into more of a leadership role, or training or consulting roles later on. So if any of these 5 traits sound like you, then tech could just be your thing. And the best part is that you don't need a degree to gain any of these traits. All of these are things that we naturally bring to the table. If you can relate to any one or more of these traits, then I really encourage you to look for opportunities in the tech industry. And if you're not sure where to start, then keep watching this channel for more tips and advice on how to begin your journey into tech, no matter where you're from. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have any of these 5 signs or traits resonated with you? Let me know, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.